Attention business owners and property managers. Are you tired of dealing with cracked and worn-out asphalt on your premises? Do you dream of a smooth and pristine surface that leaves a lasting impression on your clients and visitors? Look no further than Satisfactory Sealing and Asphalt, your trusted partner in pavement perfection. At Satisfactory Sealing and Asphalt, we understand the importance of a well-maintained and visually appealing property. That's why we offer a comprehensive range of top-notch asphalt and sealing services tailored to meet your specific needs. With our team of skilled professionals and cutting-edge equipment, we guarantee to transform your property into a showcase of excellence. Do not let cracked pavement be a blemish on your business's reputation any longer. Join the countless satisfied clients who have entrusted Satisfactory Sealing Asphalt with their paving needs. Experience the difference for yourself. Call us today at 407-698-2483 or visit our website at www.satisfactorysealing.com. For a free consultation. Our friendly team is ready to discuss how we can revitalize your property and exceed your expectations. Satisfactory Sealing and Asphalt, the epitome of excellence in pavement solutions.